Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget. Hey. Welcome back to Candace's World Candylands. Happy Sunday, y'all. And today I got me some beef yuck. How y'all doing today? Hopefully I'll get back and play a game this evening, y'all. Because I had my grandkids Friday. Because all my children went to see Halloween Killer. I was looking at the reviews on it. Oh, today we be talking about y'all Geminis and wish y'all bedtime. And shout out to all the Geminis, Ginger, PROMCK, and Diamond Diva. And all the rest of you guys. So they went to see all three of my kids, Destiny, Kiera, and EJ. I had the grandkids, me and Earth. I didn't want to go. I was going to go, but I didn't want to go. So, I was looking at the reviews on it. A lot of people say they liked it, and a lot of people say they don't. But y'all know they got it for free on Peacock. I don't have Peacock, but one of my neighbors was telling me it's on free on Peacock, y'all. If y'all want to watch it. I gotta get into my scary movies, y'all. I ain't watched a scary movie yet. And it's Halloween almost here. This ain't as hot as I wanted to be. So y'all, let's get into the topic. What do it mean when a bird fly in your house? I don't like birds, but I don't know what it means. But a lot of people say it mean a bad omen. None ain't flew in this house, but when I was living with my grandmother, and like I said, my grandma raised all her grandkids, like the older ones. A bird flew in the house. I'm the oldest grandchild, but I got a younger aunt. My mother's sister, she's 6 years older than me, so she was young like us too. It was like 5 people in the house. All of them in my aunt room got around. When I tell you, we were laughing and joking, and the room ain't bust so big. When I tell you I was the first one out and stepped on all their heads, I don't play. You better come on. My aunt had her baby, y'all. When I tell you she was running, it was like, with that baby was like a football. We left her. No. Have a bird? No. Have a bird ever flew in y'all home? If so, wish y'all spurs, y'all. My daughter called me. I ain't babysitting. She know I don't do nothing on no Saturday. Well, by the time y'all get this, it's gonna be Sunday. I don't do nothing on Saturday, y'all. Y'all, when I tell you that bird, this is what it came in, y'all. Oh, when I tell you that bird flew in that home, and we couldn't get him out. So what we did was we locked the bird in the her bedroom, and we all stayed in the living room till my grandma's boyfriend came. And my grandma was at work, so we had to wait till she come home. Her boyfriend bring her home, and he got him out with the broom. And we had a boy cousin there. He was just as scared as us. I don't know why my iPad is saying no storage, y'all. I gotta really go on my thing and see what I gotta clear out. I paid the bill. Let me see, can I pay it again? Pay for some more space. Mm. So let's get into it, y'all. Gemini. Like I said, y'all go to bed at 2:30 in the morning. I don't know what y'all bedtimes is, y'all, but that's what the Zodiac say. But I know my cousin, she a Gemini, and she be up all night long. I be like, but she drank though. But I think she start. I drink early. I drink my drinks early. I think she drinks at night, so it makes her stay up. Not every night, but you know when she want to drink. She be up, wide awake, and be asleep all day unless she gotta go to work. Mm. So y'all Gemini, I just got me a soda. What time y'all go to bed? Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm. I'm hungry. But I know I ain't gonna eat all this, y'all. As soon as I put it in the refrigerator, it's gonna be immediately gone. Cause Earth home, he'll be drinking. So he ain't gonna wanna cook. He gonna see this in this container and put it back in there. And he gonna want it. That's how he do. He wanted it last night, y'all. I said, no, I'm saving this for my mukbang. For my Sunday video. You crazy. Do all men do that? Want what their woman want, or do all women want what their men want? I don't always want what Earth want. And that's just money. But if we eating something if I don't really got a taste for it, I don't like it, I don't want it. And I'm sure he gonna mess with it. They ain't mess with my stuff. I put it in the refrigerator. They be like, oh, we gonna train want it. I said this before, ain't that's what the refrigerator for. You can have the noodles. I'm gonna eat all the meat out of it. That's one thing, they don't give you a lot of meat. That's why you gotta make your own homemade yacht. Then they put some meat in there. I should have got a pepper steak. I'm getting full, y'all. I don't know if it's the onions or what. Like I said, y'all, I'm gonna see what's going on with this iPad. Try to clear some space or buy some space. And I'll be back probably today if I don't get no company like my daughter to play a game. Like I'm supposed to play Friday, but I had a babysit, y'all. So you know what time it is. If you like it, subscribe. If you don't, you can pass it on by. But until next time, I will see y'all soon with another chit chat. Zodiac, ain't mukbang. Back in the
Thanks for watching.